On Friday, Calvin Brutus, who was also an attorney-at-law, appeared alongside businessman Corwin Nicholson and woman Sergeant Latoya Brummel before Acting Chief Magistrate Faith McGusty at the Georgetown Magistrates Court. The trio faced 7 joint charges of conspiracy to commit a felony, which is obtaining money by false pretense. The 7 charges stated that between December 1, 2023 and January 31, 2024, with intent to defraud, together they conspired to obtain $101 million from the Ghana Police Force headquarters for goods that were never delivered. The trio was not required to plead to the indictable charges and were granted bail in the sum of $700,000 each. Additionally, Brutus faced 7 separate counts of misconduct in public office, contrary to common law. The charges allege that between the dates mentioned above at police headquarters, while performing duties of Deputy Commissioner Administration, he willfully misconducted himself by instructing a police finance officer to prepare 7 Bank of Guyana checks totaling $101 million, payable to Corwin Nicholson. The charges allege that between the dates mentioned above at police headquarters, while performing duties of Deputy Commissioner of Administration, he willfully misconducted himself by instructing a police finance officer to prepare 7 Bank of Guyana checks totaling $101 million, payable to Corwin Nicholson of 3D Construction for the supply of boots, pointed stars, handcuffs casing, uniform cloth, among other items, knowing that the items were not supplied or delivered to the police force without any reasonable justification. Brutus was then slapped with 7 counts of liability of officer. Particulars of the charges stated that between December 1, 2023 and January 31, 2024, he made the opportunity for Nicholson to defraud the state of Guyana of totaling $101 million. On the 7 charges for misconduct in public office, Brutus was ordered to post bail in the sum of $350,000. In relation to the 7 counts of liability of officer, he was granted bail in the sum of $350,000. Brutus' total bail was set at $1.4 million, while Nicholson was granted bail in the sum of $1 million. They were all instructed to make their next court appearance on January 31, 2025. Brutus now faces a total of 252 charges, with bail exceeding $17 million. On October 24 last, Brutus, along with his pregnant wife Adonica Alder, a police sergeant and a businessman, were brought before the Georgetown Magistrates Court, where they faced numerous charges related to serious financial crimes and other offenses. The quartet was arraigned before Acting Chief Magistrate Faith McGusty on charges stemming from an investigation by the Special Organized Crime Unit, SOCU, of the Ghana Police Force. Following an investigation by SOCU, it was revealed that the case involved over $800 million. Of this amount, $300 million is associated with properties and other assets belonging to Brutus and his wife. The remaining $500 million has been frozen in several bank accounts belonging to Brutus, his wife, their businesses, and their 4-year-old son. Charges were recommended for the accused persons by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP. Tiana Cole reporting for the AHGP Nightly News.